Yes, today we are going to see the spot welding experiment, right? So this is known as an resistance welding. How the resistance is created is these two are the copper electrodes. Okay, this is the workpiece. So in this box there will be a transformer, right? So this transformer will have a primary winding and a secondary winding, right? So when the circuit is closed, the high current and low voltage is passed on to this electrode, right? So when the high current is passed on to the copper electrode, as the copper has got an high conductivity, the heat will be generated. You can see here the heat is being generated. So this heat is used to fuse the two workpieces. There are two workpieces on the prong, right? So these two workpieces will be fused. As the current is being generated, there exists an resistance over the current. So because of the resistance over the current, at that joint, the metal, whatever the two metals that are there, that will melt and it will fuse, right? So this is a fusion welding where we do not need any filler rod or any material. The two parent materials itself will fuse by the resistance towards the current, and the material will fuse. So what the sir is doing underneath, sir is pressing. There is a lever, right? So when you press a lever, you are giving a pressure there, right? So heat from the current, resistance towards the current, and pressure from the lever, right? So heat and pressure are both used to fuse the two parent materials, right? So this is a copper electrode. In industries, the copper electrode is being cooled because as it is as the supply is high current and low voltage, right? So automatic spot welding machine will have a cooling chamber, and you can see this the tip of the copper electrode rod is sharpened, right? So why do we sharpen this tip of the copper electrode rod? For example, if you take the two sheets, one sheet is having an high thickness and other sheet is having a low thickness, right? So to the low thickness, to give an heat balance, you will sharpen, you will make the diameter of the copper electrode to be lesser, right? So when you sharpen the diameter of the copper electrode rod, the contact area will